There is an old saying, the money you can see is the money that is leaving you. Most people hear that and think it is a poem. It is not. It is the first lesson of real wealth. And tonight I am going to give you 5 hidden rules that wealthy families have followed for generations. Rules they never teach in school. Rules the rich have quietly agreed never to discuss in public. Pay close attention, because this changes everything. Rule number 1, tax architecture. Most people think their tax bill depends on how much they earn. It does not. It depends on how they earn it. A doctor earning $400,000 a year may pay 40% in taxes. A wealthy investor earning $10 million may pay only 12%. The difference is not cheating. It is structure. Rich people do not earn money the same way working people do. They earn through businesses, investments, and assets, all taxed at much lower rates. The first hidden rule is not how much you make. It is how your money is shaped before it reaches you. Rule number 2, velocity of capital. Saving money alone has never made anyone wealthy. Not once, not anywhere. The wealthy do not let their money sit. They put every dollar to work. They buy assets that produce income, real estate, businesses, investments. A dollar saved in a bank doubles every 24 years. A dollar invested properly doubles every 7 to 9 years. Same dollar, same 40 years, but one builds a life and the other builds a dynasty. Stop saving as a strategy. Start deploying every dollar with a purpose. Rule number 3, network of access. The best investment opportunities in the world are never advertised. By the time you read about an opportunity online, the smart money has already entered and is quietly leaving. Real wealth moves through relationships, through trust, through private conversations. The wealthy do not search for opportunities. Opportunities find them because they spent years building the right network. Your network is not just your social life, it is your financial future. Rule number 4, inheritance discipline. 70% of family wealth disappears by the second generation, 90% by the third. The fortunes that survive do not just pass money to their children. They pass structure, discipline, conditions. They give their heirs enough to do something, never enough to do nothing. Money without preparation is not a gift. It is a slow poison. Rule number 5, the silence rule. The loudest fortune is the one that is leaving. Wealthy people never talk about their money, not their accounts, not their investments, not their strategies. This is not modesty. It is protection. Every dollar of visibility is a dollar of vulnerability. 5 rules. Tax architecture, velocity of capital, network of access, inheritance discipline, the silence. These are not tips. They are a complete system, quietly used by the wealthy for hundreds of years. Now you know them. The question is, what will you do with them? Start today. Build in silence, and let your results speak for themselves. Let's go.